Hello, and welcome to this presentation about the Independence Extension's Transition Program. My name is Ann Lake. I am the transition teacher here. This is my 15th year of teaching with Charlotte-Mecklenburg Schools. I have a degree in recreation from Western Kentucky University and special education from UNC Charlotte. I have over 35 years of experience in working with individuals with disabilities in a variety of settings, including Nevins Sheltered Workshop, Mariandale Pool, Special Olympics, and 3 different group home agencies, including St. Mark's Lifespan, Residential Support Services, and UMAR Group Homes. I don't do this alone. I have 2 wonderful teaching assistants, Miss Denise Osborne, who's been with Charlotte-Mecklenburg Schools for over 23 years, and Miss Elizabeth Burney, who's been with CMS for 16 years. So what is the transition program? The transition program is for our older students who are 18 to 22 years old who have already completed their first 4 years of high school. And the focus is on preparing them for life after high school, focusing on those life skills, social skills, and vocational skills that they will need in order to be successful moving forward. Our curriculum that we use has been developed by Charlotte-Mecklenburg Schools and teachers within our system. One of our first courses is our finance course, which includes banking, budgeting, making purchases, and how to handle money. Our technology class teaches students how to use the internet safely, identify and avoid risks, and help them keep their personal information safe, as well as learning different methods of communication using technology, developing the skills needed to use independently and with purpose. Our other courses include leisure education, where students will develop the skills needed to utilize public leisure activities through interactive lessons and learning about daily living skills and social interaction and food preparation and rules, social rules within the community. The community living class involves continuing to learn how to function as independently as possible within the community. Our students do also focus, again, on independent living skills and job skills. This year, obviously, we will not be going off campus for these. We will be doing these through either virtual job shadowing or jobs here on campus as students are able to return to campus safely. So how do we do this? Our class delivery has a couple different options here. We do have right now 3 online classes every school day for 40 minutes. We use a combination of Canvas courses. We also use some adapted news sites called News to You and Unique Learning System, and the curriculum previously mentioned that Charlotte-Mecklenburg Schools has developed. In addition, the students have a notebook with worksheets and other items such as flashcards and manipulatives to provide a more hands-on learning opportunity offline. For example, we have skills practice sheets where students are encouraged to learn about more independent living, such as various chores, their personal hygiene, and health and exercise. Our students also have the ability to participate in electives classes. These are alternating with PE being on A days and visual arts on B days. For more information, you are welcome to contact me. My email is a.lake@cms.k12.nc.us. You may text or call my Google Voice number, 980-819-0245. And for more information in general, I do maintain a Google Class page at the site seen here. Thank you. I hope this helps give you a little bit more information about the transition program here at Independence High School in the extensions classes.